here at Flower Park, I'm going to be making birdseed out of leaves. So first you pick some green leaves, or you could get mud or dirt. That's what I'm getting dirt. But then you need to kind of sprinkle the green leaves. It comes off as tiny little bits that look like birdseed. So throw it in the water near the spot if you can. You have to do it when the birds are actually looking, otherwise they don't come. Quack, 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 quack. I'm just trying to quack. Quack. Oh, someone comes along. No. I tried. Maybe you could just chop up little bits of wood. Might be a better idea.
With what?
A saw?
Do you have a saw?
No. The question for the day is, what kind of bird is that? I put the link in the description